Hello everyone, today in this video tutorial I will show you how to digitize the EDX plot and then replot it and organize. We all know that most of the time we get the EDX plot like this which does not look good. So to digitize it we will use an online website. So first of all you have to open the Chrome with internet access. You must have internet connection for this. So in the Chrome search for web plot digitizer. After searching for the Replot Digitize, look for this website. Click on this and click on Launch in File. Upload your file here. Now, after uploading our file, first step that we have to do is to calibrate. We need to select 4 points, two for the x-axis and two for the y-axis. The x1 and y1 point represent the minimum x and y value respectively, while the x2 and y2 point will represent the maximum x and y value respectively. So first of all, I will select here the x1 point, then the x2 point here. Now for the y-axis I will have to select my y1 point and then the y2 point here at the maximum. Now I have to give these points values which is in the graph. So I know that in my graph the x1 value is at 0 and the x2 point is at 15, as you can see here. Now, for the y-axis, my y1 point is at 0 and my y2 point is at 1797. As you can see here in the graph, that full scale gives us 1797 count second. Okay, so this is all about the calibration. Now I have to click on the calibrate. After clicking in the calibrate, next step is to select our data line. But before selecting the data line, we have to select which color of line represent our graph. So for that, I can directly click on the color. I can directly select the black color as the black lines data I need. Okay, but if you cannot find the color here, so just click on this, or zoom the graph and click on the active graph. So it will automatically gain the color here. Okay, now click on the pen and you can adjust the extrude here. Also, here is the erase button. So if you mistakenly select the wrong line or the wrong space in the graph, so you can erase it. Now, clicking on the pen and selecting the data. After selecting the data, open the logarithm tab and click on the third number x w/interpolation. Now, del x tip, you can choose it by yourself. I will choose here at 0.5 for the closed data points and click on the run. Now, you can see the software selecting the point by itself. Now, click here, mm, view data. Now, clicking on view data download, that's SV. Now, open this default data sheet, select this whole data, copy it, open the origin file and click. Now plot this data. Here we go. Now you can set up your chart according to your own.